The first announcement I want to make is my idea to go from 4K to HD. So the next few videos are going to still be in 4K just because I filmed them before I started making this video. But after those few videos, everything's going to be moving from 4K to 1080p HD. Now, I'm still going to do 60 frames per second, but the reason I'm going down to HD is because 4K is just, my computer's just, both of them, my iMac and my MacBook, they both just can't handle it. So, we're going to be moving down to HD. Now, in the future, we may go back to 4K, if I get some better computer equipment, but for now, we're moving down to 1080p. The announcement I want to make is Rolling Maze. So I made an announcement 2 years ago. Yeah, probably around 2 years ago. It was talking about my new game, Rolling Maze, and my Scratch games too. But we are finally announcing, as part of TowerTech Studios, the Rolling Maze beta. If you guys want to join it, just go to towertechstudios.com/games/rolling maze, and there will be a button, you just click it and you can sign up for the beta. Now, unfortunately, the Android version is going to be coming out a little bit later. So this only purely for people with iOS devices, and it has to be an iPhone or iPad. It cannot be on a MacBook or anything because you need the accelerometer. So if you guys want to check that out, just click the link in the description. The next announcement I want to talk about is possibly continuing the Super Mario Bros. 3 Let's Play series. So on my gaming channel a while ago, I started making the series called Let's Play Super Mario Bros. 3. Now, Let's Play Super Mario Bros. 3 was basically a series where I try to beat Super Mario Bros. 3, which is my favorite Mario game. And I haven't uploaded for the series in a while. That's mostly because of low view count. But if you guys want to see me pick that up again, there will be a poll on this account, on this YouTube, and my gaming YouTube channel. There will be a poll asking if you guys want me to continue the series. If you guys do, we'll continue it. The last thing I want to talk about is just getting rid of the intro, because I feel like a lot of my viewers click off when the intro comes on, and even though I just uploaded a video not long ago called My New Intro, I think I'm going to get rid of it because I don't really need an intro yet. In the future, again, we may continue an intro, but we may make another intro and do it. But for now, there will be no intro on mainstream TowerTech tutorials videos. The last announcement I want to make is possibly making a YouTube short every week. So, YouTube shorts, if you don't know what they are, they're kind of like TikToks, but on YouTube. So, I plan on making a YouTube short like every week, and it's more of like a formal short. So basically, instead of just having one video a week, we're gonna have one short and one video a week. Mostly because of the fact that my shorts get a lot of views, they get a high view count, and they help grow the channel. So my goal is obviously 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we're gonna make it, mostly because of the fact that this channel literally has 85 subscribers. That means we're only 15 subscribers away from hitting that 100 subscriber goal. So let's make it happen, and we're going to be doing a short every week. And it's not going to be like my random shorts like I used to make. They're going to be like more of like cool things you could do on your iPhone, or cool things you could do on your computers, or pranks and stuff like that. So anyway, that's it for the announcements, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and remember, the links to some of these things will be in the description. For example, the Rolling Maze beta, that'll be in the description. And yeah, So I hope you guys enjoy. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye.